Welcome to my channel, Lefty Builds. Today we are painting a room and we're finishing a project that I started about a year ago. If you know anything about DIY, you know you always spend more money than you think, and the project will always take a little longer than you expect. Right now it's got this mauve looking paint thing right here, which is just like very much kind of old and outdated. So doing our best to update this room. Please stick around for the journey. Here, I'm just wiping down the walls to make sure that there's no dust and debris left on. So when I do paint, the paint has a clean surface to stick to. Now here I'm using painter's tape to line the baseboard so I don't get any paint on it. I'm still working on my painting skills, so I'm going to use painter's tape wherever I see fit. Now I've seen multiple videos of people painting, and for some reason they always use tape to kind of get the excess fibers off the paint roll. So that's what I'm doing here. Then put it on and we're good to go. Here I'm using a 2-inch edge brush to get the edges of the wall going so that I don't have to use a bigger roller. Now, if you're tackling your own painting project, make sure you have enough space in the room to actually use the extension pole. I didn't have enough space, so I was struggling here and ended up having to take it off. I don't know about you, but I cringed several times while editing this video because I kept missing a spot. I know I got the spot throughout the painting project, but in the video I did not show it, so it is hurting me to watch this back. I'm not a tall person and I don't own the appropriate size ladder to be painting a full-on wall. So this part was a bit of a struggle for me. You can't hear what I'm saying, but best believe I'm using words that are not internet friendly. That's hard. Never mind the background because I am painting clearly. So we're here. We did that wall today, did that wall a year ago. And we're gonna finish with this wall and that hopefully by the end of this weekend. So let's keep on going. All right, so I have finally finished painting this room. As you all know that I stated earlier, this project actually started October 2024. And like I said, if you know anything about DIY projects, they are always taking longer than you expected. But finally got the coats on, so just a quick preview of what is here. Oh, you can't really tell. I have to show when it looks better, but yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you check out this one right here.